So we're gonna. Most of you guys are probably finishing up, so we're gonna go over how to turn in work. So there's this lovely site called Repel-It, and it's repl.it. And if you go there, you're going to want to sign up for a new account. We're going to need to use your personal email address for that. Can somebody tell me why?
It will ask for a confirmation.
Yes, if it asks you to what do you call it, verify your email, you're gonna have a problem if you use the app my.stuhsd because there's no actual email account associated with that. So what you should have by the time you're done is you should have the name. So exercise 1 where I asked you to do your name and ASCII art, right? And then you should have your own ASCII art creation in a second file. And once you get logged in and your account signed up, you should see a screen like this. And you just click Start Coding Now. We're going to choose Python. Okay? And then you just drag both files in here. Now, when I click this play button, it's not going to do anything because all it does when you click this play button is run this main. So we have to set this main up to run both files. So I'm going to delete what's here. I think it writes over anyway, so I can just start typing actually. And I'm going to go import ASCII. And if I hit my ASCII art, it doesn't do anything. Print. So if I do that, I get the ASCII works and print and works. So in the main, I want to import name. It's case sensitive, so make sure you're meticulous about that. So both of those work. And I get that obviously you're going to have your ASCII art in here and your name thing in here, but I'm just using this as an example to show you that it works. Does that make sense? The other thing you're really going to want to do, super important to do this, almost more important than every other thing, change the name on this. Because otherwise when you go back, if you have to edit anything, and you have, once we get deep into the semester and you have 50 assignments in there and they're all named these weird things, you're going to have a lot of trouble telling which is what. So do yourself a favor and make sure you call this one Lab 1. And then Lab 2, Lab 3, etc. Does that make sense, guys?